Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Ranelle, and in this video we are going to be cash stuffing for our first paycheck of June. I have my wallet sitting right here so we can go ahead and pull out the money. So let's start with that so we can count it. So I did pick this up from the bank. Let me go ahead and set this to the side. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and start by counting our money. I know that this setup is totally different than normal. My stand actually went out that holds like my light and everything. And so I can't really use that anymore to hold my phone. So I had to find a new adjustment. Let me know if you guys like this. If not, then I'll try to figure out something else, but let me know. So let's go ahead and get started counting. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 550, 650, 750, 850, 950, 1,000, 1,050, 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 420, 430, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5. So this is 1,500 so far. Then we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600, so 1,600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So $1,613 is what we will be cash stuffing today. So we're going to start out in our bill binder first. So I'm going to set this one to the side so it doesn't get in the way. Okay, you guys, so rent is getting $800. One, two, three, four. 455, 556, 657, 758. Okay. Now we should have 1,600 here, and this is going to go to the bank to pay my rent. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 455, 556, 657, 758, 859, 950, 1,000. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,600. So I am going to take this out tomorrow and go to the bank with it to pay my rent. Okay, so that has 1,600. Also, I thought I would share this with you guys. My website apparently is being weird about shipping out my actual like trackers to you guys. So I did open up an Etsy shop to physically sell these. So if you have been waiting to get these cash envelope slips, they are available on my Etsy shop. I'll have it down below. If you are loving these and you would rather print them at home, My website does do digital downloads, and I'll have that listed below as well. So phone is getting $124. So 51, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me put this. Okay, the phone now has 51, 52, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 250, 251, 252, 253. So 253, and this is due as well. So I will take this out and take this to the bank probably tomorrow. Car insurance is getting $30, so 20 and a 10. Okay, so car insurance now has 30, and this is half of my car insurance for the month of June. It's not due till the 21st, and next payday we should stuff 35, so we have it. Credit 1 has already been paid, and this is $20 going towards July's payment. So we're not stuffing this payday. We will stuff the other half next payday. Now, Capital One is getting $15. 10 and a 5 into Capital One. And this payment is due June 28th. So again, this is just half of it. Internet is getting $97. So 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97. So internet now has 51, 120, 140, 145, 146, 147. And this is due as well, so I'll be taking that out to go to the bank. Subscriptions is getting $30, and this is for the month of July. My subscriptions are due on the 1st, and I'm just saving ahead for them. Okay, and then utilities is getting $100, so 51. This is for power and water and sewer. Again, I'm just saving ahead for the month of July. And then that's it for bills. Actually, I need to do my daughter's school. Completely forgot because it is back here. So her school is $39. So I only need to stuff 19 this time. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So her school now has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I really need to make a binder for this, you guys. I just put it back here because I know where it's at. But yeah, so this is it for my bills. So now we're gonna move on to our cash expenses. Okay, so gas will be getting $100. So 50, 70, 90, 1. Okay. Eating out is not getting anything. Necessities, you guys, this one broke. It makes me angry. So, but necessities is also getting 100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Okay. Groceries is getting $105. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 5. Okay, so 105 in groceries. Luna, my dog, is not getting anything. We did already get her dog food. Now I have some money left over, so I'm going to take out my change and put it in my change jar. Okay, this was the change that was in my envelope, so it's going to go in my jar. And then it looks like we had $2 left in here. I am just gonna roll that over because I do only give myself $10 to spend. So now I have $12. My fiance has some change. Let me go ahead and get that out. So here is my fiance's change. Again, it's going in the jar. My fiance is getting $18, so 10. Actually, I'm gonna give him some 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. This is my fiance's spending money. Snowball is gonna be getting $35. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Actually, we'll use a 10. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then we'll use some 1s because I ended up needing more bigger bills and got a lot more smaller bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So Snowball has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35. And then at the end of the month, I will apply this to our smallest debt. Car maintenance is not getting anything. It does have $1 and some change, and I'm gonna leave this in here. We have to get our tags at the end of June, and so I just am gonna save every penny I have for that. Beauty and clothes is not getting anything. So let's go ahead and move on to our savings. Okay, so emergency is getting $15. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so emergency now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, $54 in emergency. My zipper on this one's all messed up too. I don't know how. And then each of my girls is getting $5. Okay, so my oldest now has $15. Alexandria is getting $5. This puts her at 15. Okay. And Anastasia is getting $5 as well. And this puts her at 15. They all have $15. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's cash stuffing. I know we weren't able to stuff any of our sinking funds, but that's how it is sometimes. This is just my fiance's paycheck. I didn't make any of my side hustle money in this time, so I will be getting it this upcoming Friday, the following Friday. So this is the paycheck from June 3rd. So I just wanted to share with you guys, this is what it looks like for a low-income family of 5. We stuffed our bills, our expenses, and some of our savings. That's as far as we got. So hopefully next week we will be able to stuff some of our sinking funds and some of our cash expenses again, because I'm sure we will need that. So that is going to do it. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me. Don't forget to like the video and then comment down below what you think of this setup. And then I will have my Etsy shop listed in the description bar down below. If you see anything on my website that's not on my Etsy shop yet, that is because I am working on getting to the point where everything is on my Etsy shop. I'm just not there yet. So bear with me, but all of my binder cash slips, your trackers for your binders are on my Etsy shop, available to ship to you. So go ahead and check them out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be a debt update. I know I said that last time, but I promise it will be up the next video. So that is going to do it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.